Hey y'all, it's Diane with Y'all Craft One and my old barn door and barn door treasures on eBay. Digital Diane Designs on Etsy for digitals only. And I wanted to thank you all so much for your wonderful response to my Pink Farm kit. I made one that was for tall, skinny journals or flip-flop journals, that sort of orientation. And I had so many people sending me messages asking me if I could make a normal one. So just to let y'all know, I am in the process of creating it. It's not completely finished yet. I'm hoping to finish it this week, time permitting. So I will try to have that in the shop for you ASAP as soon as I get it finished. But just wanted to let you know, I hear you. Thank you so much, all of you who went over and grabbed the kit. But I've heard you, and I am creating the landscape orientation one so that you can, put them in a regular journal like so. So these, I'm hoping to have them finished by the end of the week. If not, it'll be next week, but I'm trying my best to get them done. So anyways, thank y'all so much. I've had so much fun with those. I just had a blast with those. Now, I have a fun little treat for y'all. This is a box from Your Creative Studio, and Amanda contacted me and asked me if I could do an unboxing video, and I told her I would. And so she sent me a box, and this is the December box, and I will put all of her links below in the description box so that you can go over and check her out. I have cut the tape on the box, but I have not opened it yet, so I'm super excited to see what's in the box. So let's get started and see what she sent. Just trying to make sure I'm in frame. Okay, so this is the name of it. It's called Your Creative Studio. Here is the card. I love the sewing machine on the card, and here is the back of the card. So much fun, and I love the paper that she's wrapped it in. Sweet, just looks like a little present. Well, I was trying to get this off without... Okay, well, I just had to tear it. Okay, let's see what we have. All right, I'm going to fold this box to where... There we go. Maybe that will do it. Okay, let's see what this is. This says that it's a cling stamp. I love how she's packaged everything. You did a great job, Amanda. Oh my goodness. There we go. Those are good stickers. Oh, how fun. It's a sewing machine, y'all. I've been wanting to revisit my sewing journal kit. I have a kit in the shop that's a sewing themed, and I have been wanting to do a sewing journal. So this may be my inspiration. How fun is that? Okay, so we get a stamp. All right, and let's see what this is. This is masking tape. So it's probably like washi. See if I can get it out of the package. Here we go. Oh yeah, it is. Cute little washi. Let me see if I can find where it opens. Okay, so it's like, can I get it to focus? Let me see if I can get it to focus. There we go. A little leafy, viney top washi. How fun is that? I love that. Thank you so much, Amanda. Okay, I'm going to poke this down. Back in there. Okay, so it's kind of like lavender. Hello, Diane. Look at the pictures. Okay, this one says it is washi. Oh, it's sewing themed washi. I'm so excited. Amanda, you have inspired me. How fun is this? It has all kinds of... Is it focusing? I think the camera's having a hard time focusing. So stinking cute. It has all kinds of little sewing themed doodads on the washi. How fun is that? So you get washi tape, a wider washi tape and a thinner washi tape. Pretty little doily. Let's take it out. I love the way she has everything packaged so neatly. Let's see what our little, oh, what a cute little card. Okay, so this can be going in the journal too. How cute is that with the little lovebirds? Okay, so you get the sweet little doily. Oh, how pretty. Oh my goodness, look at these scissors with the pretty little birds on them. How fun is that? Now, is this one of those that you can slide? Yeah. So you just slide that off, and then you can take your little scissors out. How fun are these? I love these. Whoops. So pretty. And then you just slide that right back down, and you have protected scissors. Very fun. I love that. Okay, and there's a little piece of cardboard. Beautiful, beautiful stickers. How pretty are those? I love these. So fun. Let's see. Okay, they're like washi style stickers. Trying to get it back in the right spot. Very pretty. And then we have a cling stamp in this little envelope. There we go. Let's see what we got in here. Oh, we've got a couple of cling stamps. Let's see, we have a little sewing themed one. Okay, my little plastic pieces are coming off. Here we go. All right, so now we have a thread spool and a little sewing themed one. How fun is this? I'll grab some ink and we'll do some stamping with these in just a minute so we can see how well they stamp. So I'm going to set that right there with the sewing one. Oh, fun. Look at these. Bistro de Paris Salon de Thé. Now, y'all, I am not French. I took 2 years of French in high school, and I know very few words. And I am Southern. So there you go. Forgive me if I butchered the French. These are fun little stickers. Okay, and they're clear. Let me see if I can get these off. Hang on. Okay, so they're little clear stickers. Can you see that? How fun are these? And you get a whole little package of them. So lots of different ones. So you have this one. Oh, I love these. These are super cute with the post. Y'all know I love the postage stuff anyways. These are real fun. Okay. And then you have more Paris ones, some from New York, some cameras, typewriters. Oh, how cute. There's farm ones. I'm so excited. Look. I love the cow one. Be Kind to Animals Week, April 12th through the 17th. Oh, how fun is that? And then different little I guess seals from around the world. So much fun. These are really cool. I like these. Yay. I'm going to have so much fun playing with this. Okay, let's see what this is. This is, it says note cards. You have a little checklist. These are super cute. Let me get my knife and open them. Okay, got the plastic off. And then this little, well, I thought it was just going to slide off, but it's not going to. So we're just going to pull it off. How fun are these? Oh my goodness, these are so, oh, there's different ones. Look, one is a to-do list, and then you have just a list. I hope I've been in frame this whole time. I've been looking at them and not paying attention to the camera. So you have, okay, and then you have a date list. How fun is that? Oh, I love these so much. These are so stinking cute. And look how many you get. You get a whole bunch of them. So fun. Okay. And then we have this little package here. Sorry for the crinkles. For those of you who don't love it. Let's see if I can get this lid out of here. Maybe. There we go. Oh, so cute. It has the little dress form. Is that what it's called? This is great paper. It's stick paper. It almost feels like sticker paper. Oh, it is sticker paper. Oh my goodness. Y'all, these are stickers. How fun is that? I know, it's the little things, right? Don't we get excited over the little things? So these are all little sticker papers. How fun are these? I love these. I'm so excited now to do a sewing journal. How fun is that going to be? Okay, so there's, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the sticker papers in there. And then let's see, this is our last little package. I'm going to sit our stamps to the side because we're going to use those in just a second. Oh my goodness, look at how stinking cute this is. It's a little charm, a little sewing machine charm. Oh my, I'm going to have fun with this. So cute. Okay, I'm going to scoot the box over so I can open this last little package. And then we'll play a minute with the stamps. Paper ephemera is what this is. So it's like little journaling cards. Oh, how fun are these? So you have, it looks like 2 of each of the journaling cards. How fun. And there's, whoops, 6 journaling cards total. Now, are these stickers too? No, they're not. They didn't feel like it, but I just wanted to make sure, you know, because you know me, I can be a little dingbat sometimes. All right, so you have 6 of the little journaling cards. And then, what is this? Oh, they're larger size journaling cards. How fun are these? Got some with some text. How fun are these? So you got a couple. Nope, there's 3 of that one. And then you have, love this, with all the little sewing notions on there. 3 of that one. Love that. Look, can you see the little safety pins up there? Super cute. And then 3 of that one. So you get 6 large size journaling cards. And then 6 of the smaller size journaling cards. How fun. What a fun little package. So if y'all want, and she has different boxes. So if you want to go over and check her out, I'll, like I say, I'll leave her links in the description box below. Let me grab some paper and we'll play with the stamps real quick. Okay, so I've got some paper, and y'all, I realized I missed a stamp in this little, this is a measuring, a little measuring tape, and then a little thread spool, and I missed a stamp in here. It was stuck in the bottom of the envelope. Another little thread spool. How cute is that? Can y'all see that okay? Is it focusing? Y'all, I hadn't really played with my new phone much as far as recording and stuff, so I hope my videos are doing okay. I guess I should probably check that. I haven't even had time to check it. Let's see. Okay, I think that's all of them. So let's play with these and see how well they stamp. Now, they say if you stamp on something hard, it don't stamp as good. So I pulled over my mouse pad. This is just my mouse pad. It needs to be clean. So I'm just going to slide that right up underneath there. And I'm going to use this Victorian Velvet Distress Oxide by Tim Holtz. And so let's just stamp one of each and see how well they stamp. Now, I'm a terrible stamper, I'll go ahead and tell y'all. And I'm going to zoom in some so y'all can see. Let's see. Okay, so let's just, now I find that if you hold it down for a second, it gives the ink time to grab a hold of the paper. And sometimes the very first one you do with the stamp doesn't come out as well as the second. So, see, that's the very first one. Can y'all see that okay? It's kind of light. Let me hold it up so y'all can see it. Can you see that okay? All right, so let's do another one. I'm going to get a little more ink on it this time. I guess I should have got an ink block, but it'll be okay. All right, so I'm going to lay this one down, and I'm not going to jiggle it. I'm just going to give it a firm press and just hold it there for a second so that it has time for the ink to grab on the paper. Okay. Oh yeah, that one did much better. It always does better on your second one. So there's the second one. So that one stamps pretty good. Let's try this teeny tiny one. How little is this one? Can y'all even see that? I've got my ring light up here, but sometimes it makes it darker, but it's cloudy outside, so I wanted to make sure that we had enough light to see. Okay, so let's stamp this one. I'm just going to sit it down on the page and let it sit for a second. Oh yeah, that one stamps real good. So check that one out. That one did a really good job. Okay, let's do the measuring tape. Get enough ink on there. Okay, let me scoot this out of the way. So the trick is to sit it down and be still with it. Don't move it around, because if you do, you kind of get like a double exposure. And it does do better on the mouse pad, so I may have to try that more often. Oh, how fun is that? That's the measuring tape. I love that so much. What cute stamps. I'm in love with these. Okay, so let's do the sewing machine for the last one. And since it's so big, I'm going to turn it over and kind of rub my ink on it this way. Sorry if I'm jiggling the camera. Okay. I better put the lid on that. Alright, so I'm going to scoot this over. We're going to put him right here. And then I'm just going to sit my hand on it for a second. Okay. Oh yeah, that one stamps out really good too. Can y'all see that okay? What a fun little package, y'all. I'm super excited about this little package. How fun is this? Okay, so I'm going to zoom you back out. And I'm going to scoot this over. And then I'm going to sit my little stamps right here so you can see them. And bring my little box back over here. So this is from Your Creative Studio. Y'all go check her out. All of her links will be in the description box below. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them in the comment box below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for me if you will. And I hope y'all have a beautiful, wonderful day. Big hugs.